How to save TikTok videos to gallery. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the TikTok application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now scroll through and tap hold on the video that you want to download, and with this a menu will appear. Here you will see the download option. Tap on that and wait for the download to complete in order for the video to be downloaded successfully. You can now go ahead and open your camera roll and you can see the video has been saved. Make sure that you cannot download all the videos. The user of that particular video has to enable the download feature in order for you to be able to download the video. So, this is how you can save TikTok videos to gallery. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.